Craving something spicy and flavorful? Let's cook some chicken Karachi. Start by heating 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 2 finely sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Now, stir in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until it smells amazing. Time to add 1 kilo of chicken pieces. Cook until they change color. Next, sprinkle in the spices. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix well and cook for a few minutes. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and 4 to 5 slit green chilies. Cover and let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is tender and the oil separates from the gravy. Finish it off with a sprinkle of 1 teaspoon Garam Masala and a squeeze of lemon juice if you like. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve your chicken Karachi with naan, roti, or rice, and enjoy.